Samsung Galaxy A05, a perfect phone for first-time smartphone users. Samsung has launched a new smartphone in its Galaxy A series, the Samsung Galaxy A05 in India. The phone is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant, and 11,999 Indian rupees for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. The phone is available for purchase from Samsung's official website, Amazon, Flipkart, and other online and offline retailers. The Samsung Galaxy A05 comes in 4 color options: black, blue, white, and violet. The smartphone has a sleek and stylish design with a plastic body and glossy finish. The phone has a water drop style notch on the front that houses the selfie camera and a rectangular camera module on the back that houses the quad rear cameras and the LED flash. The phone also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone features a 6.5-inch HD Plus TFT display with a 20:9 aspect ratio and a 90Hz refresh rate. The display offers a smooth and immersive viewing experience for watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web. The cell phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G35 processor, paired with 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of internal storage. The storage can be expanded up to 1TB via a micro SD card slot. The phone runs on Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.1 core on top. Samsung Galaxy A05 supports dual SIM connectivity, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and USB Type-C port. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery that supports 15-watt fast charging. The phone can deliver up to 29 hours of video playback, 49 hours of voice calls, and 131 hours of music playback on a single charge. The Samsung Galaxy A05 boasts a quad rear camera setup that consists of a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f2.0 aperture, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor with an f2.2 aperture, a 2-megapixel macro sensor with an f2.4 aperture, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras can capture stunning photos and videos in various modes and settings, such as portrait, night, panorama, pro, and slow motion. The phone also has an 8-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture on the front. The selfie camera can take beautiful selfies and supports a face unlock feature. The phone also has some additional features such as Samsung Pay Mini, Samsung Knox, and Dolby Atmos.